Hello all, I'll be discussing about the ETO method of sterilization. First, let me explain the definition of sterilization. Sterilization is a physical or chemical process that completely destroys or removes all microbial life, including spores. It is a process by which an article, surface or medium is made free of all microorganisms, either in the vegetative or spore form. Sterilization is broadly classified into physical and chemical methods. Under physical method, we have heat, radiation, filtration methods, and under chemical method, gas and liquid method. So ethylene oxide is one form of gaseous chemical method. Where it happens in the CSSD department within the healthcare facility, responsible for cleaning, disinfecting, sterilizing, distrusting the medical equipment. It ensures all the items used in the patient care are sterile, preventing the risk of hospital-acquired infections. So it is a unidirectional flow of department which mainly involves collection, cleaning, decontamination area, packaging area, sterilization area, and sterile storage area. So we know ETO is a gas commonly used in healthcare and manufacturing to kill microorganisms on medical devices and equipments, especially for heat and sensitive and moisture sensitive items like plastic tubings and delicate electronics, because it works at relatively low temperature. So we need 4 essential parameters for the efficient functioning of ETO: gas concentration, temperature, and relative humidity. It involves 5 stages of sterilization cycle: preconditioning, humidification, gas introduction, exposure, evacuation, and air washes. Mode of action is mainly as a result of alkylation of protein, DNA and RNA, or the replacement of hydrogen atom with an alkyl group. The microbicidal activity, it inactivates all the microorganisms, although some bacterial spores are resistant than other microorganisms. For this reason, Bacillus atrophius is the recommended biological indicator. It is mainly used in the critical items and also sometimes to sterilize semi-critical items. For example, heart-lung machine, sutures, catheters, stents, respirators, dental equipments, devices with electronic components, multi-lumen tubings, etc. Advantage: it has large chamber, suitable for heat-sensitive items, high penetration power, and also non-corrosive to plastics, metals, and rubbers. Disadvantage: highly inflammable, irritant, carcinogenic, and it is usually supplied in 10 to 20% concentration mixed with inert gases, and long duration of cycle and high cost of instruments. So these are the 2 indicators which is used to validate the efficient functioning of the ETO cycles. The biological indicator used here is Bacillus atrophius, and the chemical indicator is type 1 class of chemical indicator. So the video shows how an ETO machine is loaded with ETO gas and the items are packed in pouches which is stuck with chemical indicator. Thank you.